Morning again, everybody. Thank you for waiting. There was just a little bit of technical difficulty there on Facebook this morning. So here is my take two of this morning's day 25 of the 6-minute Wellspring writing little mini workshop. As I said in the first video, your prompt for this morning, if you bring up your Messenger app or anything that you use to communicate, so it could be WhatsApp, and type in the words I am, and then press your middle button and continue on until it forms something that makes a little bit of sense. Don't continue on too far, and don't worry about finishing your sentence. The one that came up for me was I am going on the road to. So if you want to, feel free to share the prompt that came up for you, then feel free to do so, and get your pen and pencil ready. The announcement for this morning that I said I was going to make is that I've been waiting for months, a little bit of to and fro with Audible, to hear about my book Wellspring. I've now put it on Audible as an audiobook. I got the okay from Audible this morning. That is now, whoa, finally, it's now on Audible. So if you're interested in the hints and tips that I give in the morning, and if you miss my dulcet tones all day, then you can download Wellspring and Magpie Mind as well. You can download my two books on Audible if you're interested in hearing the advice that I give in a little bit more depth. And the other announcement is that to celebrate that, I'm going to make Wellspring the book on which I've put, and again, a bit more depth, how to do your 6-minute writing and defeat writer's block and procrastination. That is going to be free on Kindle as of tomorrow for 5 days. So feel free to snap that up as a wee thank you to all of you who have joined us here in the mornings. So your prompt for this morning, so the boys are playing through there. Your prompt for this morning, if they get too boisterous, don't worry, I'll mute the microphone and I'll go through and check on them. Your prompt for this morning is I am going on the road to. And remember, your key tip for this morning is just to keep writing, keep writing. Write slowly, write fast, as long as you keep going, anything goes. And there's no right or wrong. Don't worry about editing just now. Just keep going. Even if the only thing you can think of is, I don't know what to write. I don't know what to write. Okay, I hope you're ready to go. I hope that this second round of this morning's workshop is going a little bit more smoothly. Thanks to those of you that have sent a little message to let me know that it was timing out for you. Hopefully this one's going a bit more smoothly. Okay, so your 6 minutes, and I'll get my timer. If, as I say, you don't have a prompt handy for yourself, feel free to use I am going on the road to. And your 6 minutes begins now. Okay, that is your 6 minutes up, folks. Thanks again for joining us this morning. I am going to be posting right after this a wee thank you to people for all your support. And at 12:30 today, I'm going to do a longer writing workshop as well, with maybe about 20 minutes, half an hour long, with more tips about how you can make the most of the Wellspring writing process to help you defeat procrastination and increase your creativity, and how to defeat writer's block as well, which is the whole point really of the 6 minute Wellspring writing process. And I'll be doing a little reading from Wellspring as well, with a few more examples of 6 minute writing, and I'll be telling you what my very first 6 minute writing breakthrough was for myself too. So, thank you again for joining us. Thank you for sticking with a few of the technical difficulties and cute little interruptions as well this morning. I hope to see some of you later on today. Thanks again, and happy writing. Take care, everybody.